Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
So we just woke up.
Yeah.
Well, actually, we woke up a little while ago. We were just on our phones and stuff like that. So today we're going to eat
from convenience stores.
So breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and probably snacks in between.
Yeah.
We will eat from. I think there's Circle K, Family Mart,
and a couple other ones.
A few.
Maybe we'll change it up. We'll see what each of them has.
Yeah. So for now, we're going to go to breakfast.
Yay.
And have some food.
Yummy.
I hope I find something delicious.
We'll probably come back here and eat it and show it off. So yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Let's go. What do you think you're going to have? Have Ben's favourite Milky Way?
The best Milky Way ever.
Yeah,
I've
it
never seen this
actually
in
is.
Australia. I'm gonna get one.
So they didn't have what we wanted for breakfast. Well, I don't think anyway.
I don't know. They had some same stuff, I think, but we'll see what the other one has anyway.
Yeah.
So good too.
Has everything. Oh, yum. That looks really good.
Cheese sponge cake.
They have so much stuff. They have everything here. Hi guys, so we've got our food. We've come back from the convenience store. We got a lot. I think, how much was it in Australian dollars?
About $6.
About $6. So about $3 each, which is pretty good. We got 3 food items, a drink, and a little sugary sweet.
Chocolate.
A little
This
chocolate.
The Milky Way.
Yeah.
It's the best Milky Way you'll ever have. I don't even know if they sell them in Australia, unless they're just new.
Maybe, yeah. Tell them what it has in it.
It's rich dark chocolate with golden caramel and vanilla nougat.
Yummy.
It's so good.
We've actually tried it before.
Yeah, I had it yesterday.
It's delicious.
But a roasted chicken and lettuce sandwich.
That looks good. I picked that as my first choice, yeah.
It looks really yummy.
And how much was that one?
26,000. So about $1.60 Australian.
How much was the Milky Way?
That was 24, so almost the same price. We got a sushi set. It is fish cake, mayonnaise, and other things, lettuce, some soy sauce.
That looks pretty good.
Wrong side.
There we go. You can see that. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. That is 25,000, so about the same price as well. And then Han got a kahoi, which is like a little, it's like a triangle sushi.
It's so tasty.
And then Han got a drink, and it's a nice tea.
It
was
was
4,000 dong with this triangle sushi.
Yeah.
That's basically, you can live pretty cheap at convenience stores in Vietnam.
If you, yeah.
They've got some good stuff. So like one annoying thing about Vietnam that's like a little peeve of ours is they absolutely love their plastic. Like it's insane. Just like everything is just plastic. It's so strong. You go to the gym again. That's very, very good. Got like a crab stick or something in there, it's super tasty. It's just super fresh as well. So good.
It's got a tear thing, but the sticker prevents you from being able to tear. It's annoying. I can't open it. Got it.
So,
What it looks like. Oh, it smells so good, like a salad sandwich. It's good. I like it.
the SD card's almost full again.
It's super tasty. Yeah. Hi guys, so it's about lunchtime for us. It's probably a little bit later since we woke up a little bit later. But I thought I would make myself some noodles. Got them right here. They're super delicious. I think they're like a seafood type noodle. It's really, really tasty. I'm just filling out a few things for our website, for our blog, stuff like that. So yeah. Hey guys.
Hey guys, dinner time now. I've just been sleeping all day. Han's been doing some work. I don't know, I'm just really tired. Yeah, we got some more snacks. So
I just realised this isn't very healthy. Today, very unhealthy.
Got the noodles, which we'll have soon after this.
We got Ben got a little sandwich, which is pretty cool.
Ham and cheese.
That's his all-time favourite.
Yeah, because back home I used to love ham and cheese sandwiches too, and the ham here is like so good, like so good.
It's delicious.
Han, you got a snack for tomorrow or later?
Yeah, for tomorrow or later or sometime. I remember we used to buy these from like a Korean or like an Asian store back in Bundy when we used to live there. Oh no, sorry, Brisbane when we used to live there. They're my favourite. I got an ice cream. It's a Japanese ice cream. I actually don't know what type of flavour it is. It has a picture of a cheesecake right there.
And most importantly,
we got a cake.
we got 20 subscribers, so we've got a cake.
We're
celebrating.
We're
celebrating 20 subs.
Yay!
We just want to thank you all for subscribing and watching our videos. It means a lot.
Even though it's 20 people.
Yeah, we probably don't sound sincere, but it actually means a lot to us.
Yeah, that's
like
right.
we put a fair bit of effort into like doing these videos and stuff, and you guys are the ones like keeping us going. So you're the first 20 on our way to
20
our
million.
dog.
Oh yeah.
Our dog Millie. We're
1
gonna
million.
get 1 million subs to get our dog.
Papa. Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna dig in.
I opened my. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells like honey. Hey! There's like tea. Milk tea.
That's so good.
Tastes like cheese tea.
It's like a cheesecake on a biscuit. Hey, that's how all cheesecakes are.
Oh my god, it's so tasty.
Yummy.
I've already got a sweet, so I'll probably just have a bite of this.
It's got matcha in it.
Is it matcha? I thought it was like that taro thing. No, not taro. What is it called? The pandan or something? I'm going to continue eating my favourite delicious snack. I can't believe how good this is. And also, I can't believe it took me this long to try.
Yep, you got a cake. Cheers to you all. Boop.
Yummy.
It's a pretty soft, nice cake. It'd be good with like some berry syrup or something.
Okay.
It's not very sweet.
My teeth are dying from how cold that ice cream is. Oh, I love it. It tastes like
It's just like bread.
clouds or something.
Yeah. This is for all of you, all 20 of you. Thank you so much.
Yummy.
I'm enjoying my cake.
I can't believe how good this is. What the heck? If you ever go to a family mart and they sell something that looks like this, definitely get it.
Thanks for watching, guys. That was our lazy day of eating at a convenience store.
That was actually really fun.
And a celebration of our 20 subs.
Yay.
Thanks, guys. It means a lot. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for supporting us.
And if you haven't already, make sure you go down below. Let's see if we can get to 25.
Yeah. I think the next goal will make 50.
Yeah.
So if we get to 50, we'll eat
2 cakes.
50 cheeseburgers.
Yum! Yes! Please subscribe so I can eat 50 cheeseburgers.
So yeah, if we get to 50 cheeseburgers.
How'd you think of that?
No, I felt like a cheeseburger.
Oh, yummy.
Share us around if you enjoy our stuff.
We're just like you guys, except we video vlog everything.
Stuff we do.
Yeah. So if you like us, if you feel like you can relate, then definitely subscribe.
Don't forget
to Lovelivexplore.
Yeah, don't forget to Lovelivexplore. Thanks, guys.
Bye.